Now next here, second main, write first four terms. Write first four terms of an arithmetic progression. When the first term is a and the common difference are given as follows. Okay, and the common difference d and the common difference d are given as follows. Okay, so here for a is first term, d is given, that is common difference 10. Then we have to find first four terms. So a is equal to what is there? 10. First term is 10. Okay, so this is a1. To find second term, that is a2. A2 how to find? a1 plus d, or a1 is nothing but a only, that is. Okay, a1 plus d. Now what is a1? 10 plus d. What is d given? 10. 10 plus 10 how much? 20. Second term is 20. Okay, then third term a3, a plus 2d, or we can write, okay, a plus 2d we can take here. Okay, then this is equal to 10 plus 2 into d is 10. Then 10 you should write as it is, plus 2 10s are 20. 20 plus 10 it become 30. Then next a4. A4 what we should do? A plus 3d. Okay, now what is a? A means that is first term 10 plus 3 into d 10. So 10 plus 3 10s are 30. 30 plus 10 40. So therefore first four terms are 10, 20, 30 and 40. First four terms are 10, 20, 30, 40. Second question, here a value is given -2 and d is equal to 0. Okay, so to find first term a1 is equal to here a, that is equal to -2. Okay, first term is -2. To find second term a2 is equal to a plus d. Okay, or we can take here, to find a2 second term what we should do? To first term we should add a difference d. Okay, -2 plus d, you can take any way. So a2 means a plus d. Okay, this is equal to what is a? -2. What is d? 0. What is answer here? -2. Then to find third term a plus 2d. Okay, so what is a here? -2 plus 2 into what is d? 0. Then -2 plus 2 into 0 is 0. Then this is equal to -2. Then a4, fourth term, a plus 3d. What is a here? -2 plus 3. What is d value? 0. So -2 plus 0. So this is equal to -2. So therefore, what is the first term we got? -2. What is the second term? -2. What is the third term? -2. What is the fourth term? -2. Okay, so first, second, third, first 4 terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Third question, a is equal to 4, d is equal to minus 3. First term, to find a1, that is equal to a is equal to 4. To find second term, a2 is equal to a plus d. What is a here? 4. Then what is d? Plus you write as it is. Then d is minus 3. Then this is equal to 4 you should write as it is. Plus into minus, minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Similarly, a3 is equal to a plus 2d. Okay, a plus 2, sorry, what is a here? A is 4 plus 2 into what is d? Minus 3. So this is equal to 4 plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6. So this is equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. Biggest number sign is minus, so minus 2. Then a4, a plus 3d. So this is equal to what is a? 4 plus 3 into d is minus 3. So this is equal to 4 plus into minus, minus 3 3s are 9. Now 9 minus 4, 5. Biggest number sign minus, so minus 5. Okay, so therefore first 4 terms are 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Fourth question is given here. A is equal to minus 1 and d is equal to 1 by 2. To find first term, a1 is equal to, that is a is equal to minus 1. To find second term, a2 is equal to a plus d. Then this is equal to what is a? Minus 1 plus d. What is given d? 1 by 2. Okay, now directly we can do here 2 1s are 2. Minus is there, so directly you take minus 2. Then plus 1 whole divided by this 2. Then minus 2 plus 1, that means you have to subtract. Biggest number sign is minus is there, so minus 1 divided by 2. Similarly, to find a3, a plus 2d. What is a? Minus 1 plus 2 into what is d? 1 by 2. Denominator 2, numerator 2 get cancelled. So this is equal to 1 plus 1, then this is equal to 2. Sorry, here minus 1 is there. Minus 1 plus 1, minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Here minus 1 is there. So minus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 0. Then to find a4, a plus 3d. What is a? Minus 1 plus 3 into what is the d value? 1 by 2. Then this is equal to minus 1 plus 3 1s are 3 divided by 2. Again directly here 2 1s are 2 you should take here. So minus is there, put minus, minus 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Minus 2 plus 3, that is equal to, that means subtract 1. 3 minus 2 is 1, biggest number sign is positive. So here 1 in numerator and denominator is 2, 1 by 2. So therefore the first 4 terms are minus 1, then minus 1 by 2, then 0, then 1 by 2. Okay. Fifth question, a is equal to minus 1.25 and d is equal to minus 0.25. Here we should find first 4 terms. So here a1 is equal to, so a, that is equal to minus 1.25 as it is. To find second term, that is a2 is equal to a plus d. Then this is equal to, what is a here? Minus 1.25. Then plus, what is d? Minus 0.25. Now minus 1.25 plus into minus 0.25. Now both are negative sign, keep minus sign and add 1.25 plus 0.25. That means here, what is the answer? 1.50. 1 rupees 25 paisa plus 25 paisa, it become 1 rupees 50 paisa. So 1.50. Then to find third term, a3 is equal to a plus 2d. A plus 2d. Then a, what is a here? Minus 1.25 plus 2 into, what is d value? Minus 0.25. Okay. Then minus 1.25 should write as it is, plus into minus, then multiply 2 into plus into minus, then this you multiply 2 into this value into 2 into 0.25. Okay. Now 2 5s are 10, carry 1 0 here, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. That means 0.50. 0.50. Now here again both are negative sign, keep minus sign and add. Okay, now here 1 rupees 25 paisa plus 50 paisa, so it become 1 rupees 75 paisa, that means 1.75. Okay, now next to find a4 is equal to a plus 3d. What is a? Minus 1.25 plus 3 into, what is d? Minus 0.25. Then minus 1.25 should write as it is, plus into minus, 3 into 0.25. Can you tell me what is the answer? 3 into 0.25. Okay. 25 paisa is there. 25 paisa 3 times means it become 75 paisa. So it become 0.75. Now add both the values, because here both are negative. Keep minus sign and add. Okay. 1.25 plus 75. So that is equal to 2. So first 4 terms are, what is the first term here? Minus 1.25. Second term, what is here? Minus 1.50. Third term is minus 1.75. And fourth term is minus 2. Understood?